Agile development practices are the cornerstone for efficient and effective software development across industries. Even traditionally product-focused OEMs are embracing agile methodologies to accelerate their embedded software development. ALM tools such as Polarion provide the essential functionality, granularity, and framework needed to document and track requirements, test cases, and issues, while effectively managing solution deployment within an agile framework. However, to architect the solution, system modeling tools such as Cameo Systems Modeler with SysML modeling language are essential, as they allow evaluation of the entire product and choosing the best architecture to derive requirements, test cases, and select interfaces for software modules. But the real challenge lies in seamless exchange of information between these tools for efficient embedded software deployment. Cameo Connector for Polarion by HCLTech is the best solution to this conundrum, allowing efficient deployment workflows across these tools. HCLTech's Cameo Connector for Polarion enables architects to import requirement documents, queries, or individual work items into the SysML model. It allows easy navigation between imported items and their source in Polarion to synchronize updates, support pinned revisions, and document baselines. And as architects develop architectural concepts, it enables them to publish derived requirements, diagrams, test case definitions, etc. from SysML to Polarion. Not just that, based on organizational practices, Cameo Connector for Polarion also creates direct links between SysML elements and Polarion work items to ensure complete traceability without any data exchange or duplication. Cameo Connector for Polarion not only facilitates a seamless collaborative design process, but also ensures bidirectional traceability and enhances ALM data visualization for accelerated application development. So why wait? Optimize your application development process with the Cameo Connector for Polarion by HCLTech today.